Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you another faux fireplace I made. This one was inspired by one that I found at the Magnolia SILOS when I visited there. I actually took a series of pictures and I'm hoping to recreate several of the fireplaces that I saw there. And it's been a challenge, but it's something that I've been enjoying doing. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this episode. I'm trying to figure out the whole Etsy thing. I'd like to list them on there, but right now it's just Facebook Marketplace. And so anyway, hopefully by the time that I post this video, I'll have a page set up. And if you're interested in purchasing one of them, you can always go on there. But enjoy the episode and I'll see you at the end of it. As you can see here, all of my fireplaces start off with a 4x4 sheet of 3/4 inch plywood that everything gets attached to. It just depends on what the original or inspiration piece had that determines what is mounted on top of it. But so far so good. My brackets here were too wide for my shelf, so I ended up cutting them down so that it fit the top shelf.
I want you to
I attached the brackets from the back of the fireplace using 4-inch nails.
I try to give you my best, baby, but I'm afraid that it just won't do. But honey, please, 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 let me do it right. Oh yeah, I wanna do it right. I want you to know that I'll always be by your side. It's not something I'll take for granted, but I sure hope you want me in your life. 'Cause I don't wanna miss a thing. Oh yeah.
After attaching the trim to the top, I filled in all of the nail holes.
Every night I have this dream that I stand right before you. And you take my hand and let me get close to your heart. Why don't you show me how it feels when your dream comes true?
To create the center detail, I figured out where I wanted, so I measured it 2 inches from the bottom. I figured that I also wanted it 4 inches tall. So I created that rectangle and I drilled 4 holes in each corner and then used my jigsaw to cut the insert into the piece of wood that I was placing in that spot. And then I just got a piece of 1/4 inch plywood, sanded, inserted it in there so it was smooth, and added the rope detail into that insert.
Why don't you show me how it feels when the dream comes true? I won't cheat on you, baby. That's just something I would never do.
I used painter's caulk and filled in all of the gaps and sanded it down when it was dry and got it ready for paint. I'm going to let you look at the inspiration piece again. Here it is. I think it's pretty close. I ended up using Dixie Belle in drop cloth to paint the entire piece. Here I found 2 of those tin tile sheets and placed it in the center. And to get the same type of detail as in the original inspiration piece, I just painted the diamond shape and the parts that would look like tile in that dark gray, and used a top coat to cover it. And my goal was to then paint it that drop cloth color and then wet distress the paint away.
I don't really see enough. There's too much to be done. It's no fun. But even if we're far apart, I know where we belong. Haven't changed a bit in my heart. Your words have never been wrong. You are my own safety zone. You're solid like a granite stone.
I inserted that piece into the fireplace and attached the trim to surround it. And after painting the trim, I added a little bit of that gray paint to some clear glaze and added it into the detail, and it turned out fantastic. It's not exactly the same because I don't have that same tile, but I think it came pretty close. It looks great.
I don't really see enough. There's too much to be done. It's no fun. But even if we're far apart, I know where we belong. Haven't changed a bit in my heart. Your words have never been wrong. Safety zone. You're solid like a granite stone. I know where we belong. Safety's haven't changed a bit.
And there you have it. My rendition of the Magnolia SILOS Fireplace. I love it, and I can't wait to start on my next one. I didn't mention how I have it hanging on the wall though. I have a 200, it holds 200 pounds French cleat on the back. I've also finished it off with a piece of felt to protect your wall. So anyway, there you go, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Solid like a granite stone.
If you haven't already, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified the next time that there's an episode. See you in the next one. Bye.